Understanding pedal wrench, an English language guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, pedal wrench. Whether you're a bike enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this linguistic journey and turn the gears of learning. Pedal wrench is a compound noun, which means it combines two words to create a specific meaning. Let's break it down. Pedal refers to a lever pressed by the foot, commonly found on bicycles. Wrench is a tool used for gripping and turning objects, like nuts and bolts. When combined, these words describe a specialized tool used to install, remove, or tighten the pedals of a bicycle. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to see the phrase in context. For example, I used a pedal wrench to loosen the pedals on my mountain bike. If the pedals are too tight, grab a pedal wrench and give it a turn. Notice how the phrase is used as a noun to specify the type of wrench being discussed. Understanding context is crucial in language learning. The phrase, pedal wrench, might mean little without the context of cycling. It's not just about the definitions of pedal and wrench, but about how they come together to describe a tool for a specific action on a bicycle. And that's a wrap on pedal wrench. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and its usage in English. Keep pedaling forward in your language learning journey, and I'll see you in the next video.